papunta na kami sa ano, papunta na kami sa tubig. Doon kami kakain. Doon kami kakain ng KFC namin. Oo, pasensya na, medyo maingay yung aircon. Doon kami kakain. At baka makatulog kami doon.
We're half an hour away from the beach. Sure you don't want to eat now? 34 minutes from Nelson Bay.
It's fine.
It's going to be cold when we get there.
Oh, okay, you can park somewhere and we
Yes.
can eat. Yeah, okay. No problem. We can park in the shade or something.
I'm trying to find some shade.
Yeah. Something, even just the street don't have to be there. Something that is not too hot.
It's telling me to go this way. Nelson Bay.
Yeah,
We really went off the track, didn't we?
yeah, we
We should have
did.
kept going to Nelson Bay.
Yeah, we did, yeah. We can stop in the cars under the tree somewhere. It's gonna be hot. So kakain na lang daw kami dito. Maghahanap kami ng ano. Maghahanap kami ng magpa-parking na namin na hindi mainit. Para makakain kami kasi half an hour pa daw bago kami makarating doon. Kaya gutom na kami. Gutom na. Tinatawag na kami ng mga tiyan namin. Kailangan kumain na. Kasi kalahating oras pa daw bago kami makakarating. Are we going here to Nelson Bay?
Yeah.
That's fine. And then we can maybe just find somewhere.
Any shade here?
Nah. Why are you're not buying anything here?
It's shut anyhow.
No, it's not. It's open. No.
Closed.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, there's a shade. Look at that here.
Where do you go to on the grass? It is right there. This is private property.
It's shut. Doesn't